All right, guys, now we're going to do the orthographic version of Block 13. I really want to make sure everybody understands the concepts of this. There's been a lot of issues where people have not been drawing the orthographics in line with each other, which does not make them orthographics. It's not an orthographic projection if the drawings don't line up. So we need to visualize this object as a two-dimensional object, looking at it from the front, looking at it from the top, and looking at it from the right side. So we're going to first find our start point, which we're going to start one box over, one box up right here. Now, when I draw this, we're going to draw this so that we're drawing all three views at the same time. So, for example, I'm going to use a construction line, and I'm just going to draw it all the way across the page here. That's going to be the bottom. That's going to be the bottom for my front view. It's also going to be the bottom for my side view later. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to draw this line, this vertical line up. Now that's going to be the left side for my front view and the left side for my top view. So I'm doing two things at once here. All right, now we need to figure out how long this thing is. So we count our spaces. We go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Take this vertical line straight up. All verticals go up, all horizontals go over. So now we got to see the height. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Horizontal line, bring it over. All right, so now we have the outline of the front view. We also have the height of our side view and the width of our top view, or length, however you want to look at it. All right, let's start adding features in here to the front view. So we got this corner that comes up 2 boxes right here. It's going to come up 2 boxes. Yep, you guessed it. We're dragging it all the way over. All right, now we got to show these corners that are cut off here. So I look here, and it's 1, 2, 3 over and 1, 2, 3 down. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 over. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 down. Same thing on this side, 1, 2, 3 over, and 1, 2, 3 down. All right, now I'm going to actually take these features, since I have a corner here, and I'm going to drag those up. Because I need to show those features in my top view. And I have a corner here I need to drag over and show that feature on my side view. Okay, so any corner or any line that transfers needs to transfer. All right, so now I'm going to draw the spine in here, angled piece. So we are going to come over 2, 4, 6 boxes, and that's where it starts, and it's 2 boxes wide. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes, and it's a vertical line, so we bring it up, 2 boxes wide, bring it up. Okay, now we're done except for showing our holes. Now we can't see our holes from the front view, so we have to show that they are there using hidden lines. So it comes over 2 boxes, and that's where that hole starts. That's the dimension I'm getting right here. 1, 2 boxes. And it's 2 boxes wide. 2 boxes. Same thing here on this side, it's symmetrical, so we come over. Okay. So now our front view is done, we can move on to our top or our side view. So let's go up top. We need to decide how far away our top view is. According to the directions for this assignment, we're using 6 boxes in between for our spacing. And we use 6 boxes because that is adequate room for dimensions. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, this is excess in between here now. I'm not going to erase that yet though, because I want to make sure I am able to identify what these lines represent from my front view. So now I need to count from the front to the back. This is my front line of the top view. How many boxes I go? So I'm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, now this stuff in the back, I can get rid of this stuff in the back. I don't want to get confused, so that's why I'm erasing that. Okay, now we have our spine, which is right here. We have our corners. Those are our corners, but those corners don't go all the way across, and the spine doesn't go all the way across. So we need to show this back surface. It's too wide, so from the back, counting up 2, going across. Now I'm not transferring those horizontal lines over because I don't have a drawing here. So that's from the front view, we transfer horizontal over, okay? All right, now we can get rid of the excess stuff. So I'm not going to see that spine here on top. And I'm not going to see this angled piece on this flat part here. Now I can erase this excess in between here as well because I have everything included. All right, now it makes a little bit more sense. So these are your angled surfaces right here. This is your angled surface for your spine in the middle. This is your flat part on the top back. And these are our 2 squares, which are missing the holes. So we need to draw the holes in there next. So 2 boxes from the edge, 1 box from the front. So 1 box up, 2 boxes over, 1 box up, 2 boxes over. There's my holes. All right, let's move on to the side view. Very similar situation here. Coming over 6 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and we are 2, 4, 6, 7 boxes from front to back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes. All right, so now we can get rid of this stuff back here. Clean that up a little bit better. Okay. All right, now we're going to add in our details. So from the side view, we can see this L shape right here. So the L shape comes over 2 boxes, 1, 2 boxes from the back, and it goes down and it stops 2 boxes from the bottom. Let's see if I can draw that line a little bit straighter. There we go. Okay. Now we have to show our spine that comes in at an angle. So that comes from here down to there. So that's going to be from here down to there. Now you can draw yours in, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually erase this line going across here first, just because I'm limited with the program I'm using to draw this. And you can actually get rid of all of that. And now we can draw in from this corner. If I switch my color, I can draw in from this color, down corner, down to this corner. Now I have everything done except I need to erase this little guy and put in my hidden lines for my holes. That's done. So now we can see this L right here. That's very clear. That's the L. And then this little flat angled surface, that flat angled surface right there. Here's our triangle. That's showing our spine in there. I'm going to go ahead and erase my excess because all I have left to do is put my hidden lines for my holes. So here from the side, it comes over one box from the front. It is still 2 boxes wide. So there we go. All right, now we are finished, except I forgot to erase these corners on the front view. So let's come back and erase those corners on the front view if you have not done that yet. That looks better. Okay, now we can put our lettering on here. Lettering's done last, so we're going to write our name in single stroke Gothic, all capital letters, in the middle row of lines. That's a 1/4 inch apart, those 2 lines. Our letters have to be a 1/4 inch apart in this class, so that middle row is what we are using as our guidelines. So name, first and last. Title is going to be Ortho number 13. Date can be the due date for the assignment, and your class period. Just need a number there. Make sure you turn this in. Feel free to rewatch this, pause it, rewind it as you go.